Samsung is promoting the Galaxy A8 2018, and tweeted some selfie pictures, accompanied by a text saying this phone highlights the essential parts of the photo, clearly meaning the people in it. Another user of Twitter with the keen eye and at Feliperas handle found out the images are stock photos from Getty Photos, dating back to 2015. The images Samsung Brazil posted are edited to mask the apparent fact they were taken with the professional camera. When the user Feliperas tried to call the Brazilian division out, the person behind the account decided to pass the photo again as an image of Galaxy A8 in a response saying "This is ours. Isn't it nice?" The user then decided to take the matter into his own hands and dug up the actual photos along with issue date and price. When the jig was finally up, the local division said that many of the photos posted are from the actual smartphones, but these images only had the intention to express mood and do not claim to be actual samples of the Galaxy A8 camera performance. Samsung Brazil eventually deleted the posts, leaving only the answer to Feliperas.